Hi guys, we received this set of door hinges which are heavy duty and have this cool T-shape for ribbon purposes, and they're really nice because you can install them like a hidden installation in your door, and it's suitable for wooden doors, aluminum doors, fire doors, smoke-proof doors, sandproof doors, security doors, any door that you need to put some hidden hinges. These are a great option. They are very nice. They are sturdy. As you can see, it has this black finish, and it comes with the screws to install them up on your door, which is really nice. You can set them so the door opens to the left, to the right, inwards, onwards, however you need to install it. So these are really nice, and they are really smooth. It ain't, oh well, you know, sometimes some hinges ain't that smooth, and it's nice. It's part of the production, I think, and they are really good. As you can see, they are completely black with 6 screw holes, which are nice, and I would recommend them. It's a full set, so you don't have to worry. They look pretty amazing. See ya.